Welcome to Mrs. Schaefer Studio. Hope you're all doing well today. Today we're going to be doing laundry art. All you need to do this project is about 5 to 10 pieces of laundry. Be sure you ask your parents first and then get some things like t-shirts or shorts or socks and even washcloths. All those items will work great for today's project. I'm going to show you a couple of examples and then you can get busy. We're making laundry art, and here are some examples of some laundry that you might want to use for your art. You could use socks. Here's a washcloth that I found. That would work great. I even found a beanie to use. T-shirt. Whatever laundry you can find, as long as you get your parents' permission first, that would work great. For this example of laundry art, I want to create a very simple landscape picture. So I'm going to start off with a light blue t-shirt. That will be my background and it will work for the sky. So I'm just going to fold that and spread it out a bit. Next, I have this green t-shirt that I can use for the grass. I'm going to roll it up and I can just place it along the bottom. Oh, y'all can't see that. There we go. I can place that along the bottom for the grass, or I could even spread it out a little bit. And use it to create some little hills. Next, I want to add a tree. So I have these old brown socks that I'm going to fold up. I want to tuck it a little bit behind the green, and that works for my tree trunk. Then I want to add the leaves to my tree. So I have this green t-shirt that I'm just going to kind of drop on here. And that kind of looks pretty good, but you can move things around, change things up. There. So now I have a nice tree. And I want to add a couple of flowers. If you have some small colorful socks, those would work great. But I couldn't find any. So what I did find, I found a couple of little headbands. So I'm just gonna kind of scrunch these up and add these for little flowers. There's a white one. What kind of design can you create? Can you create a landscape or an animal or even a self-portrait? Now it's your turn to see what you can come up with. I hope you enjoyed making laundry art today. I'd love to see what you made. Take a picture of your project and send it to me through email. That would be soneal@conroeisd.net. Or you can post it in the comments where you found this activity on Facebook. Hope you all have a great day.